welcome back to
Calculator
Pretend Play.
Play.
So in this
In
video,
we will learn about
let's see.
table of 3 math tricks.
Yeah, we're going to learn about math tricks. So that person is saying,
And the clock is ticking. Math test today.
and here is the timer.
30.
So we will learn about in this project
Table of
table of 3 counting method,
multiplying
method,
math.
tricks.
So let's get started.
Counting by 3. Counting by 3 up to 30 would be what?
Easy.
Let's see if Lina remember her table 3. 3,
6,
6,
9,
9,
12,
12, wow.
15, 18, 21.
3 times 7,
3 times 2, 3 times 3, 3 times 4, 3 times 5, 3 times 6, 3 times 7, 3 times 8, 3 times 9,
and
3 times 10.
Wow, good job. Multiplying by 3
Easy.
in the horizontal way.
And it says right here, so
Okay,
it's
so
easy
3
to do.
times 1 equal to 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12.
I'm already ahead of you, 15.
3 times 5, 15. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 8, 24.
And then this is
3 times
30.
9,
Wait,
27. 3 times 10.
this is 30.
Ooh, good
That
job.
thing is walking.
Let's go to the next slide. Okay, math tricks. So what is it?
This is a bit. This is actually easy to.
Yeah, let's
Oh.
go see next.
Oh wait, I
Yeah.
accidentally did that.
So
What is 2 times 3?
2
And
times?
it's 6.
And where do you think 6 can go? Where is the place for the 6 in this
second
box?
one.
Okay, let's see. What? You're right. So what is the product of 3 times 8? 3 times 8?
Wait, that's after the song.
We will. Oh, after the song?
Yeah, then
So do you
we'll
want to do
that.
some song first?
You read and I play the piano. There's actually piano here.
Okay. We will read then.
No,
We'll
wait,
sing
3?
a song. Lina gonna play the piano. I'm gonna sing a song.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's
3,
start it.
2, 1, go.
3 times 2.
Oh wait, this is second 3.
Okay,
2,
let's go.
1, go.
3 times 2. Let's see what we find. Like a pair of dancing shoes. Oh, how they rhyme. 3 little pirates sailing the sea. Multiplying by 2, and the answer is 6. You see? Good. So now 3 times 8. Good job, Lina. That's nice playing piano.
3
Go.
times 8. That is 24 and it goes here.
Here?
Third last.
Okay. So let's see. You're right. Okay.
What is the
First number in the table of 3.
3? It literally
Three.
says up there.
Okay, let's go see. Yeah, you're right.
Can you go back?
That's okay.
Can you go back? Go back.
Okay, let's go back. So what is the last number in the table of 3?
30.
Okay, it seems like you're so expert in that. Okay, what is the triple of 5?
That
That's
means
tricky.
5 times 3.
5 times 3 equal to?
Easy, 15.
Okay, and where is the place for 15? What? It's here? I thought here.
Huh? It's first 9, then 12, then 15.
Okay, move to next slide. What is the next number in the table of 3 after 24?
We forgot to do the other question.
Okay, let's go see. Let's go to that.
Okay, so what is the
Product
product
of 3 times 4.
12?
So where is the place for 12?
The after, like before 15.
Before 15. Oh, you're right.
What is the next number
In the table of 3 after 24. So what will come up?
27.
Good. You know.
What is the triple of
What is the triple of 7? That means 3 times
7?
equal to
21.
21.
Well, first let's do another song.
Yeah, so this is our song number 2. Okay, ready?
3, 2,
Go.
1, go.
24, 27 and 30, let's explore. Multiplying by 3, we'll learn even more. Math is fun, it's quite a feat. Learning the table, oh how sweet.
What is the number before 21?
Let me guess. 21 before 21. 18? 18? Is it right? 18, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if I'm right or not. Come on. Okay, let's
You're
see.
right.
Yay! Okay.
I know what's the last number.
Okay, let's move to next.
Before 21.
What is the
Oh,
number before 21? We
Oh.
answered 18.
Yeah.
Yeah, next one.
The song again.
Song number
There's
3.
one more after this song.
Let's see. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, 15, 18 and 21. Multiplying by 3 is so much fun. Learning the table, our skill will hone. Mathematics shining bright like sun. Good.
It was too.
Yeah, this time becomes a little
Because
bit
I
louder.
closed it.
Then do not close it, just leave it like that, please. Okay.
Close.
Okay, let's move to the next slide. What is the missing number in this table?
9.
Oh my goodness, you're so fast. So let's see if Lina is right or not. You are.
Right. And the last song.
Okay, so song number 4.
Last song.
Let's sing together.
Tall. Just kidding.
You sing together, okay?
But I'm doing piano.
Okay, anyway. You help me, okay?
Yeah.
Ready?
3, 2,
Go.
6,
6, 9 and 12. Let's set the chase. Multiplying by 3 will turn the page. 6, 9 and 12. Let's count and explore. Multiplying by 3 will open new doors. Good. Next, please. That was our song number 4. Okay, so now, Lina,
What is the
sum of all the numbers in the table of 3 from 3 to 30. So if we add all
I
this, how we can do that? Can you show us that?
Okay. Excuse me. So let me just write all the numbers.
Yeah.
So
3. Can you make it a little bit bigger?
I can't.
Okay.
That's 3, by the way.
Okay.
This is
3 plus 6 plus 9
9
plus 12
12
plus
plus
15 plus
plus
18 plus 21 plus 24. It's going down. Yeah, plus 27 and plus 30
plus 30
equal to what?
equal to what?
Yeah, just put right there. Yeah, just make a question mark. There you go.
It's the other way.
Okay, there you go.
That's the answer.
So how are we gonna do that?
So this is easy.
Lina gonna show you how. There is a
So
trick.
since this is already 30, we have to circle this.
So we're gonna circle.
So we're gonna circle all the 30s that we find. So first we're gonna all equal them, and then you guys that's watching this, you guys can say 30 if you like.
So you mean to say you have to bring 30? Number
Yeah.
30.
We
Okay.
have to bring 30.
So we found already 130.
Yeah.
So what will be the next 30? So 27 plus 3 equal to another 30.
Shout 30!
Yeah. What else?
Okay,
else would
then
24 plus 6. Oh yeah. That's also another 30.
30! Shout
That
out
is our
30!
number
Like,
330. Another one. Here, find
then
another one.
21 plus 9 equals
Another 30.
30!
So now we got
So many 30s.
4 30s already.
And then we have one more 30.
Yeah.
12 plus 15.
No. 12 plus 18.
Oops, I forgot.
This 12.
12 plus 18 equals 30.
Yeah.
That's big.
So let's circle all those 30. So how many 30 you have here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And 15 left in that line. So can you
Yeah.
please circle also number 15?
Yeah, we have to circle 15.
Okay, now let's add
So it's 30
times.
That's just good.
30 times
Times 5.
5. Okay.
Because there's 5 30s.
Okay. Sure.
5
How much it will be? So
Yeah,
5
so this
times
is-
0
equals 0
and 5 times 3.
equals.
Okay. Good. You got it.
And if there's a 0 in multiplying, that means it's a 0. That
Yes.
answer.
And then number 15 you have to add.
Yeah, we have to add 15.
Yeah. So
Equals.
write it once in a one place and then
I know.
Okay, now let's see if Lena can find that answer.
So this is
0 plus 5.
oh.
Mm-hmm.
0 plus 5 equals 5.
Mm-hmm.
And 5
plus
plus
6.
1
No, 5 plus 1.
equals 6.
And
5 plus 6 would equal
I know, silly me.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, good.
11.
Yeah.
And
then
1 plus nothing equals 1.
Okay,
165.
So there you go. You got 165. Good adding, Lena. Good job. Okay, let's move to the next slide.
That's it.
There you go. Oh, it's all
That's it.
done. Wow, we did so many things today, Lena. Good job. Can you give me a high five? There you go. See you guys next time. Bye. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Bye.
Bye-bye.